Hi everyone, thank you for watching my channel. This is Perry Trade. If this is your first time, please remember to like and subscribe. So this is my second video for today. In my previous video, I did a test on a strategy that I'm working on. I traded it live. So I'm using the same exact chart that you're seeing right now. These are the results here. This is day 3 actually, and all 3 days have been all profitable. So you can see here I have a profit 255 here, 255 here, 70, and here 445. So let me explain the strategy. So this is off the NQ, as you can see, and this is a 15-minute chart, right? So this is a candlestick chart, and then this right here is the 15-minute Hakanashi. So so I have this this indicator here. This is off of my one of my Discord group. So one of the group members here shared this indicator that I'm using now, and so I'm using it in addition to this indicator that I developed here. You can see the blue and purple dots here. So what I did was I traded this live, actually the afternoon session. I could not I wasn't able to trade the morning session because of connectivity issues. Okay, so that I had some good results off of that. So here I decided to download market replay for today's session. This is October 17th trading session, because I missed out on the morning trade to see what my profit would have been if I had traded all day. So I downloaded the market replay, and then I traded it from, I have 2 time frames, 2 time filters, run from 9:30 to 11:30, and also 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So these are the results here. And so here there's the 2 charts here, the 15-minute and then the Hakanashi 15 minutes. And over here is the 15-minute candlestick, and this is also the candlestick right here. So on the left side, you can see the crosshairs. You don't know which chart I'm referring to, but if you look on the left side, the 2 charts, these are the same exact charts here. The only difference here, let me right click here and show you the strategy. So I am using the Predator. The Predator is basically my trade management program that I use. It enters and exits the trade based on a specific condition that I give. So you can see I have the strategy enabled. That's why it's kind of grayed out. So you can see here I have an ATR. So all of these charts are using the ATR stop loss of 2.5 and 14 period. Now the chart here on the top left here is using a 0.5 ATR profit target, and the chart below that here on the bottom left is using a 1 ATR, right? A one multiplier ATR. So that's the profit target. And on the right side here, now this is my baseline chart. Okay, so this is my baseline. So I'm using this as a baseline. And then what I'm doing is kind of testing out different parameters, because this chart is only taking, let me show you the parameters here. The right here, you can see here, let me scroll down, and you can see here 8 tick. So I'm only taking 8 tick take profit, and right here on the bottom right, 8 tick take profit. That's all. So of course I can increase that, or I can increase the number of contract to maximize my profit, right? So for now I'm just using 1 contract and 8 tick, a fixed 8 tick take profit. So here on the left side, I was trying to see if I can maximize the when it's trending, after the fixed take profit, you want to add a second contract in case the price continues going up or down, depending on what direction the market goes. So that's why I have the 0.5 ATR multiplier and the 1 multiplier ATR. So these are the results here. So here, let me show you the trade performance. Let's see, real time. And let me move this over so you can see. So this didn't do so well here with the multiplier as the profit target. You can see here it only netted $70, and then there was 3 trade and then 1 loss. Okay, so let me close that out. So let me check this out. Here it didn't do well either when I was looking at it. Let's slide this over here. You can see here it netted 610, gross profit 1,700, and you had 3 winning trades and 1 losing trade. So that's this strategy. So I'm experimenting on, trying to add a second contract to see if I can take advantage of those long runs. So that's it for that. So on the right side, this is my baseline. Okay, so this is what I use, and then I'm working off of this chart on the right side. So this chart right here, 8 tick take profit every single day since Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Thursday. It's been profitable. So yesterday I think I had a profit of 455, and the day before that I had a profit about 200, I believe. So if you watch my if you watch my other videos, you will see that I post those videos and I'll show you those profits. Okay, so here, let me right click on here, strategy performance, real time. And let me slide this over so you can see here, this took a total of 4 trades, right, for a profit, total profit 255. And this one, strategy performance, real time. And this the same profit, right? 4 trades. So one is a candlestick and one is a Hakinashi. So in real time, in live market, their profit are different, slightly different. But I guess in market replay, I guess I got the same profit here. So that is on market replay. If you watch my other video, I show you the live trade that I took, the results. This is just market replay. I was just trying to see what my profit would be. So yes, this strategy, I'm going to trade it in tomorrow's live market, and that would be the 4th day. So far for the 3 days has been profitable. And of course, I'm continually trying to tweak here on the left side ways I can take advantage of the long runs, but I've not been successful yet. So I'm still checking, and of course I will continue keeping you updated. Again, I want to just remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.